For the sorting problem, the first one is a bit straightforward. We would like to make this sorting, but mainly based on decreasing age, then decreasing name, decreasing salary, then increasing age. To do that, we can simply use our own tuple to make a comparison with a simple trick here. The trick would be as following. The first item in the tuple here will refer to the other, not to the self.name. In this way, we can still use tuples in a very simple way. So the moral of that is you always think to put in the first tuple all of the items that you would like to minimize over it. So while I'm saying you the name should be increasing, okay, then the other should be decreasing. The name should be, let's revise this here. We want the name to be decreasing. So we can use the other to be increasing here. So we need all of the item here as if they are increasing. So either the item like salary and age here are increasing, but for the other we are putting here decreasing. This simple trick can allow you still to use the tuple to do the sorting in a very straightforward way. The third question is a bit challenging one. Now I would like to use lambda to support two extra ordering. The first one here is mainly based on name, salary, age, name, salary increasing. So all what we need is to pass to the lambda here the age, name, salary, and then by default it will sort them in an increasing way. So far so good. But the challenge really comes when I ask you to do something like is name increasing, salary decreasing, age increasing. In this way we have this increasing decreasing mix which is making a problem. There are two ways to handle this problem. One is logically hard and a bit time consuming. One is has also its own complication but still much more useful. So let's see the two ways here. The first idea is based on a simple concept in sorting things. If you are sorting data based on multiple criteria, you can actually sort them step by step based on the factors. Let's say you would like to sort based on age, then name, then salary. You can simply run 3 commands. The first based on salary, the second based on name, the third based on age. In this way you are ordering based age, name, salary. Observe, I'm referring to 3 commands, 1 per criteria, but I'm doing it in the opposite direction. I did first salary, then name, then age. If I would like to do the same command as this one, but in 3 steps, not a single step, I will sort it first based on age, then based on name, then based on age. Why the opposite direction? Because when you sort by salary, then you sort by name, then name has a priority and any conflicts in salaries will be handled by name. And when you come back to sort by age, then age has a priority. So anything that need to be sorted by age will have higher priority. That's why we do it from the opposite direction. We can use this idea to implement now our own idea in a very simple way. We are asked to do age increasing and name increasing, salary decreasing, age increasing. So we will make it in the opposite direction. Age increasing, salary decreasing, name increasing. Let's see here. So I'll sort first by age increasing, salary decreasing, we are putting reverse was true, and name now is increasing. So this is a valid sorting way, dividing the criteria to that 3 one. If you are using something like Excel sheets and Google spreadsheet or Microsoft sheets, and you have 4 columns and you would like to sort the data based on that, this is a trick that people do it most of the time. You can do it like a sort one by one column if you would like. You can definitely still use a functionality that sort based on all of them, but let's say you would like to be faster, you can just sort column by column but in the opposite direction. Try to think about the logic behind it. Now how can we still make it in a single call? There is a trick here that works sometimes. Mathematically, sorting integer x increasing is as same as sorting minus x decreasing, and the opposite. So the idea is we would like the name to be increasing, age increasing, but would like the salary to be decreasing. Sorting salary decreasing is as same as sorting minus the salary increasing. So the trick is to pass here minus salary. This way the salary is going to be sorted also in the right way. This is very nice, but it works mainly for things like integers or maybe other objects, or you can still play around that in some other complicated cases. So this is mainly the tricks that I wanted to share with you when it comes to sorting data with multiple criteria.